Hello and welcome, local business champions. Ever wonder how some small businesses always show up first on Google Maps? The secret's out. It's Optimizer's Google Maps optimization service. With our expert Google My Business optimization services, your local business isn't just getting listed, it's getting noticed. Our bespoke service ensures your business information is pinpoint accurate, engaging, and optimized for maximum visibility. Every day, hundreds of small local businesses search for the best GMB optimization service, and Optimizer makes sure they find you, not just on Google Maps, but everywhere online. Transform your online presence, skyrocket your local SEO, and watch as customers flock to your doorstep. Ready to dominate the local search? Let Optimizer unlock your business's full potential. It's time for your small business to shine bright at the top. Please like, share, and hit the bell button to be notified for more updates. You can watch more of our videos here about local SEO and other online marketing tips and strategies.